Hello, I am Serena Black, the Chair of the BC Agricultural Climate Adaptation Research Network. Next week, we will be gathering together, virtually, for a 3-day BC ACARN workshop. We have a great lineup of both webinars and workshops for us to participate in. And as we've been putting together the final details for the workshop, I heard the quote from Emily Dickinson that really resonated with me. In the poem, Dickinson writes, "I dwell in possibility." I want to keep that line, "I dwell in possibility," in mind as we move forward next week into the workshop. We are all coming to the end of a difficult year. A year that, no doubt, will be a turning point in our society. Indeed, it's highlighted the vulnerability that exists in our current food system when we are faced with a crisis that disrupts business as usual. We have all felt these impacts. But this year has also showed us that we are capable of change. We are capable of changing our habits and behaviors on a dime. That change is possible. Therefore, I believe it's also possible for us to adapt to a changing climate and to take the measures needed to make meaningful change and to find the solution to the complex problems that the agriculture sector is currently facing. This workshop is going to highlight the work that is being done to get us closer to having the tools and the knowledge that the farmers need in order to adapt. It's going to highlight the work that is being done by the new young researchers who are coming into this field. And it is going to highlight the importance of bringing in new perspectives and different worldviews into these discussions. Thank you to everybody who will be joining us for this workshop to come and hear about the work that is currently being done in the realm of agriculture climate adaptation research and to provide input in how to move forward together. I am excited to hear from all of our speakers, and I'm excited to be engaging with the participants who are going to be joining us throughout the workshop. We have a lot to learn from each other. Thank you.